Hey guys, I'm Sarah and I'm just doing a bit of a fun experiment today because I got sent this instant cake mix, well a chocolate mud cake mix, ready to bake in 5 minutes. You just add some eggs, some butter, some water and whatnot to it. It's got all the dry ingredients in here. I got sent this by the lovely people at Black Box. So I got a black box and this was in it. As opposed to just making this like a normal person would, I'm not a normal person, I'm going to use a hack that I have been told, and that's 1 can of fizzy drink with 1 box of dry cake mix, and apparently it comes out brilliant. Now of course I'm just doing this because I got the freebie. Buying cake mixes like this, really convenient I suppose, but certainly not the cheapest way of making a cake. But you know, I've got it, I'm gonna play. Apparently this actually comes with the icing as well. So that's all my, says on the packet, chocolate mud cake mix. So it's got all the dry ingredients there and chocolate icing mix, a little baggie of dry ingredients there. So that looks pretty foolproof. So I've got to preheat the oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Grease a cake pan. I'm just going to use my my square. Hopefully that'll do the trick. It doesn't say how big a pan to use. Cake mix in a bowl. Smells chocolatey. So 330 ml, so 125 ml in half a cup. I suck at maths. About 330 mils. This feels so wrong doing that somehow. Like when I made my Coca-Cola bread. Feels so wrong. I'm gonna use a spoon. I'm just gonna see. Apparently it's something to do with the fizziness of it that makes it so that you don't need eggs. I don't know, that sounds really scientific, doesn't it? I'm just playing. Just playing. I feel like I'm winding down for the year already, sorry. Seems to all stirred in nicely. Let's chuck this in here. Tastes good. Right, see you back here in 40 to 45 minutes. In the meantime, I'll make the icing as per packet directions. That's looking pretty good. It smells, smells divine. I just let that cool in the pan for 5 minutes. I meant to put that on a wire rack just to cool down completely. Oh no. Ah! Oops. So that's one for my end of year blooper reel. I'm just going to patch that together, and if you guys don't tell, I'll just like pretend like that didn't just happen. I'm just going to ice it. No one's going to care. We're still going to eat it. These crumbs. Go in there. Oh, that is good. That is really nice. It does not taste like anything was omitted from that cake. Oh, that is so good. I mean, that is really good. Wow. What's the consensus of the slightly crumbly cake?
Yum. Yeah.
Oh, 10-second rule.
Oh, yum. That's great.
That's great.
Great?
Very, very, very.
What did you even put in that? Lemonade.
It was that box mix with tonic water added.
Oh yes, it's great.
So there we go, guys. I do highly recommend trying this if you're not into, you know, making the whole cakes from scratch, but you still want to be able to say that you made it. The box stuff is a good option. And yeah, that could not be easier. Cake mix, tonic water, boom, cake. So, and that is seriously yummy. Give it a go. Hit like, leave me a comment, subscribe. We'll catch you next time. Bye.